business, I'd like to look at a problem like number 12. Number 12 says 6 divided by the cube root of 2. Now the first thing that crosses your mind when you see a problem like that is, well, let's multiply it by, now don't write this down because this is not correct. Multiply it by the cube root of 2 over the cube root of 2. But the cube root of 2 times the cube root of 2 would give you the cube root of 4, which is of no value to you at all. So what we have to do, when we see cube root of 2, we have to think, what perfect cube comes to mind when you think of 2? 2 cubed is 8. So in your mind, you're thinking of this number like the cube root of 8. You're thinking this number, right? So when you see this problem, you're thinking the cube root of 8. So what I need to do is get a cube root of 8 for a denominator. If you have 2, what would you have to multiply 2 by in order to get 8? 4. So you multiply by the cube root of 4 over the cube root of 4. That's because the cube root of 2 times 4 would be 8. And then you'll have this answer. 6 times the cube root of 4 divided by what? 2. This part right here would just be 2. The cube root of 8 is 2. Do you see that? The cube. Maybe I should have written it down as the cube root of 8. Then in the next step, it's 6 cube root of 4 divided by 2. And then the 2 divides out and it gives you what? 3 times the cube root of 4. Okay? Now, one more thought. What if it had been 6 divided by the cube root of 4? Now, when you think of 4, the perfect cube, 8, comes to mind because 4 divides into 8. So 8 is still the number that comes to mind. So what I want to do is multiply this by the cube root of what over the cube root of what in order to get 8? 2. So we'll do the cube root of 2 over the cube root of 2. And that would give you 6 times the cube root of 2 divided by, again, it's going to be the cube root of 8. See, 4 times 2 is 8, just like 2 times 4 was 8. So that would be the cube root of 8. And then that would be 6 times the cube root of 2 divided by 2, which is 3 times the cube root of 2. Okay? And that's how we rationalize monomial denominators. Okay? Any questions there? Okay?